So this is kind of just like a random video that I just decided to film. I filmed 2 videos already, but I forgot that I got these in from Eyelure, and I'm really interested to try them. It's their Pro Magnetic Eyeliner and Lash System. I'm very curious about this. You guys know I used to wear falsies all the time. I have drawers upon drawers of falsies. The Iconic Lights were like my jam. I just haven't worn false lashes in so long. I had lash extensions for a year, almost a year, and I recently got them taken off probably 2 months ago. So I had them on about 10 months. But I needed to give my lashes a break from lash extensions. Postpartum has kicked my you know what. As far as hair loss, I mean, can we just talk about, I look like a chia pet right now. I cannot get these babies tamed down if my life depended on it. I've tried the hairspray and spoolie trick. Didn't work for me. I'm mentioning that in all the videos because I have a feeling someone's gonna say, oh, try hairspray and a spoolie. Tried it, didn't work for me. I wish, but it just made my hair crunchy and then stick straight up. So I saw these and I was like, these are interesting. So I would most likely probably wear these after I've already done my makeup and put mascara on. I wouldn't wear these without mascara because I don't even wear regular false lashes without mascara. But I'm gonna try these. So it says, apply liner, allow to dry, apply 2 coats more, and then apply the magnetic liner. So we're gonna try it. I do have just regular black liner on already. Do I really wanna zoom you that close into my face? I'm really not that sure. So it comes with the lashes, and I'm gonna try the Faux Mink accent ones. They have wispy and then they have fuller volume ones. I can't get this stuff out. These are the other styles. We have, which these are still like all super light for me. I like more of dramatic. These ones are the wispies, and then these ones are what they call the volume, which really those look more like supernatural lashes. I'm gonna just try these accent ones and see how it goes, and hopefully it goes well. So we're gonna try the liner. Let's put that on first. Even though I already had liner and mascara, I think it should be fine. Oh wow, this is a thick brush. Okay. Wish me luck. Okay. Oh wow, this brush is like really thick. Like that's, let's try this. They sent me another thing too. Let's try that. Just you can buy this separately as well. So I guess because of these lashes you can use over and over again. So you'll eventually need more glue or magnetic liner. So let's try this. Maybe this applicator will be smaller. It's like getting into Fort Knox. My gosh, why is this so difficult to get into? I'm like totally covering everything here. All right. Well, it's very black, so that's good. All right, so we have 1 layer there. We're gonna let it dry. We have to do 3 layers, it says. So that's 1 layer. We're gonna let that dry for a second. So let's go in with another layer and see. So now we're going to do our last layer here. Sure hope this works. By the way, this is not sponsored. They sent this to me like a month ago, and I just forgot to try it. And then I looked over as I was just finishing filming, and I was like, maybe I'll try first impressions. So they have little magnets. These ones have 3 little magnets. If you hear panting, it is not me. Finn is in here, and he is obsessed with light reflections, and I just love the dog to death, but man, he is being crazy. Okay, here we go. Finny, you are so loud. Oh gosh, that feels so weird because it is magnetizing to my eye. Oh gosh, that's a trippy feeling. Okay, let's see. Are you gonna stick though? Wow, this is weird. Gosh, that is a weird feeling. Holy crap, but it works. Look at that. That like actually works. Now I don't necessarily love these accent ones on me. Let's try one of the other ones. Oh gosh, that is such a weird feeling. Okay, we're gonna try one of the other lashes because I feel like my eyeballs are too big to do that. Let's just go in with the volume and see how that one works. So you want to make sure that you would get the liner all the way in. So this one, it's a little bit big for my eye. And I did not take that liner all the way in, but I think if I did, it would work. Because the middle part is definitely sticking, but they're just like a tad too big. Let me try this eye. I might need to put the liner. See, the thing is, I might need to get like another brush because I feel like that brush is so big that if you're trying to get on this inner corner, it's going to be so thick. Like you can't get like a fine line. I mean, it definitely works. It just, you have to get that liner all the way in. But what I did do, it does work, but I have to get that liner all the way in there for these ones. But this lash is actually really pretty. It's more of a natural lash for me. Oh, that stinks. So it has this little sticky paper and you have to make sure the magnet is like sticking to that paper. So when I peeled this off, the magnet did not come off with it. That's very annoying. So the downside is obviously just getting them out of the packaging. You have to be so careful because, yeah, these no longer will work because the magnet fell off on the inner corner because it's stuck to this. Problem is the magnets are attached so close to the outer part that this lash is not going to work for all eye shapes. I have pretty big eyes and it is too big for me, so I would have to trim that, which means that magnet would no longer be placed there because I can't cut the magnet. But if this fit my eye shape, this actually would work. Like I can feel the magnets, like it attaching to the liner and sticking, which is really cool because I definitely feel like it does work. I don't think it's going to be, I mean, I can pull them off pretty easily, so I don't think that they're going to stay all day necessarily, but the idea is cool. And I think if you were maybe starting out with false lashes and you wanted to try something like this, I think it's neat. But the downsides of it, let's zoom back out, you don't need to be that close. I think the downsides of this is, one, it's not one eye fits all. Most lashes people have to trim a little bit to fit their eye shape. This would be very difficult to trim because of where the magnets are placed. You need to have the magnet on the inner and the outer corner so that it holds it down. So you're not going to really be able to trim these. Therefore, there's a lot of people this isn't going to work for. Secondly, pulling them off of this band, the band is so sticky that the magnet can stick to this and then your lashes are not good anymore because the magnet's not on there. Now you can always get regular lash glue and try to glue the magnet back on, but that just seems like a lot of work, especially since these are like $17 lashes. Those are the pros and cons that I see of it. Yes, it's cool. I think it does work. If you can find a pair of lashes that fit your eye shape perfectly, then I think it's really neat. But I do feel like there's a lot of people this isn't going to work for because of their eye shape. Again, I have pretty big eyes, and this was like a tad too big. Like I would not be able to comfortably wear those. Also, the other con is the lash glue that comes with it, or I keep calling it lash glue. I guess it's eyeliner, magnetic eyeliner. This is such a thick wand that you would have a very difficult time getting in this inner corner to really have that adhere, and just doing a really nice precise line. So you'd probably want to use a separate brush. Now on the big eyeliner that you can buy separately, that one is a bit finer, but it's still pretty big. So those are the pros and cons. Have you guys tried this? What are your thoughts on magnetic lashes? For me personally, I would rather just put on regular falsies or again do lash extensions, because this just seems like it's not going to hold quite as well as lash glue would, although it's probably a lot gentler on your lashes because you're not putting glue on your lash band or like so close to your lash line. But I think it's cool. It is a little gimmicky in my opinion. Probably not for me, but I wanted to try this out with you guys and see how it works live so you guys can see first impressions. What are your thoughts on magnetic lashes? Are they like a thumbs up for you, thumbs down? Do you think they're gimmicky? Do you think it's cool and innovative? Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!